So in this video we're going to be fixing a rear brake squeak on a 2003 Honda Civic. It's not specific to the type of car, but really any car that has drum brakes. So let's get started. So let me show you what I mean. You hear it? So the first thing you want to do is jack up the car, take the wheel off, obviously. You know what, let me put gloves on. I hate getting shit on my hand. Much better. So, tricky part, getting this drum off. Oh, release the parking brake. Actually, this one is just coming right off, which is very lucky. That's not the case. What you would want to do is take a hammer and hit between the studs to sort of break the rust. And do not hit the studs themselves because you can mess up the threads. That doesn't work. Take the hammer and hit up here and then down here and keep going back and forth, and it'll sort of, it's basically doing this to get it off. If that doesn't work, you get a torch. You just heat up, like a propane torch. Heat up all this and then get the hammer, knock it in a few times. But this one's lucky and it's actually coming off. So spray with brake clean. Same with the drum inside. Because you really don't want to get this stuff. You really don't want to inhale this stuff. This is bad stuff. Brake dust. First thing you want to do, take this bottom spring and get it off of the shoe. Have to use these. So what I did was take a pry bar, put it underneath the spring, and just do that. Just pry up until it's on the lip. Now, I think I can take this and just, there it is. So next thing we want to do is take these two retaining springs off. Basically what you do is you just grab this little tab here, push in, and then turn it, and then it should come off. So, do this one. Okay, it's easy enough. Come on. Get off there. There we go. And the other one. Next we're going to take out this side, this left spring right here. suppose I can get to the spots. I don't really even need to take it off, because the reason why it squeaks is because the spots where the shoes meet the backing plate aren't lubricated. And you can see that right here and all the other spots. So I think what I'm just going to do is save myself the hassle and just reach behind the shoes and lube them up. Alright, let's see. There we go. Try not to get any on the actual braking material like I did. But yeah. Well, let's put the top spring on. Come on. Get in there. There we go. Put the side springs back in. Just push them in and turn. These crows, man. There we go. For the other one. There it is. There she is. There it is. Whew. What a pain in the ass. Put the drum back on. Then the wheel, which I'm sitting on. Alright, let's test it out. Hey, no more squeaking. Awesome. That's it.